Hello, friends. Friends, how was your day? My day was very good. Why? And towards the end of the day, when I went out to see Aakhri Sawal, because whenever I hear about the question, my mind says, oh, what could be the last question? Aakhri Sawal? आखिरी सवाल इज़ सो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. अगर आपने नटराज के बारे में सीक्रेट जानना है, अगर आपने आर्यभट्ट के शून्य के बारे में जानना है, अगर आपने टुगेदरनेस, संग और सेवा, संग और टुगेदरनेस एंड सर्विस, because when you're together, obviously you're confident, and when you are isolated, you feel, like you have been left behind. This is how the this is how generally how the public feels. But the point is, when an observer goes to see आखिरी सवाल, तो आखिरी सवाल से वो जो ऑब्जर्वेशन लेके आता है कि जिसने भी अगर नहीं देखी, अभी तो शुरुआत ही है, अभी तो शुरू हुई है, मगर आप सब लोगों ज़रूर देखें, because it will take you towards awareness, it will take you towards exploration of the facts more meticulously, it will take you towards uh, how beautiful is the relationship between guru and disciple, and it will show you the dedication and the mysterious uh, this mysterious respect of the disciple for the guru, and how the story is woven, is although based on reality, based on fact, but it's very beautiful. I didn't want to miss it, so I went out to see that movie, Aakhri Sawal. But when at the end, not only that, at the end it was a beautiful song which I've sung many, many, many times, but still. है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ. ओ जीते हों किसी ने देश तो क्या, हमने तो दिलों को जीता है. जीते हों किसी ने देश तो क्या, हमने तो दिलों को जीता है. So it's better to be victorious when you live in the hearts of the people, but that is the real winning, when you win over yourself, and when you win over yourself and निस्वार्थ भाव से जब हम सेवा में, ध्यान में, प्रयत्न में, विश्वास से एक ठीक रास्ते पे चलते हैं, तो it all falls in the right place. And let's proceed further again with more confidence, more enthusiasm, because these are the qualities of awareness. If you know who you are, why you are, what you are, you keep continuing on the path that you have chosen for raising the consciousness of the people. Through every effort that you make, you promote that which is consciousness, which is awareness, which is raising the level of awareness of people. And needless to say, movies are also source of information and source of raising awareness. And nowadays I've seen that Krishna Avtaram was also a very good movie. If you want to see, you can see that. And this last one which I've seen today, Aakhri Sawal, nothing like that. All praise for that. May you stay tuned, happy, healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow.